everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is a project share. I would like to give you a flip through of this journal that I made for my friend. By the time you view this journal is already on its way to my friend, and I hope that she likes this. And I don't think that she will view this video anyways, so let me share this with you. Purple is one of her favorite colors, so I chose an old book with the purple cover. I didn't decorate too much the cover because I love this purple color, and what I did was just to add the book corner plates, and then I added these laces and trims. I really love adding the book corner plates to my journals. Love the color too. So just to hide the spine, I decorated it with the trims, and then added this journaling card and some envelopes. This journaling card is really pretty, and I added the trim. Beautiful, eh? And then this is an old envelope, and this airmail was coffee dyed. I added a book plate and then give this journal a title, which is Dream. And this is a very pretty lace. This one is supposed to be a belly band, but I made a mistake of gluing the top. So no, it's just a tuck now. And then the closure is a sari fabric, which is not attached to the cover. I really wanted this fabric to be a belly band. That's why I had these two decorative brads, but oh well, now this is just a tuck. Hopefully she's okay with that. So let's take a look inside. This journal has 3 signatures, and then I love the end papers, so I let them be. And then I just added this glassine bag, which I embossed, and these are plain tags. So look at this embossing. I loved it. I hope that you can see it really well. Dragonfly die cut. So these are just something that she can hopefully use in her other projects. And then, oops, let me just take this out. There you go. And I used my label maker. There's another dragonfly there. And this is from a digital kit that I purchased last year. Just a tuck there and some old book pages. Another pocket or tuck. And this is from Robin Fantasy. And this book page is from the Edith Holden book. There are plenty of tucks and pockets in this journal. And I love this image. She's very pretty. And a page from an old journal. And then I just added some charms, which are all. I love alls too. This is an old postcard. So I will let the music play and do the flip through. Hopefully you like this book and stay till the end of the video. And I also added laces and some trims on this book. Now I just realized that she is not very fond of pink. So whatever lace I have in pink, I tried to tone down by adding some white laces as well. Alright, so I will do the flip through and meet you in the end. So please stay and enjoy the music.
Don't be sad, a smile can lift a heavy heart. Don't be mad, a thank you makes a brand new start. You might think that it's simple, that it's too naive, but we all could use reminding what we really need. Get up and give hope a try. Don't let the chance pass us by. All we gotta do is give the world a little bit of love, love, love. Get up and give hope a try.
Flying high in the silent sky. Every night I dream I see a star falling slowly in the dark, shining bright and bringing mellow light. I will follow you to find a way, no matter what the world will say. In the darkest times, when there's no hope, don't be afraid, you'll never be alone. When someone's telling you goodbye, you want to run away and hide. You feel like it's the end of the line. Don't be afraid to make one step beyond. I will follow you to find a way, no matter what the world will say. In the darkest times, when there's no hope, don't be afraid, you'll never be alone. Flying high in the silent sky, each night I dream I see the star falling slowly from the dark, shining bright and guiding me to the light. I will follow you to find a way, no matter what the world will say. In the darkest times, when there's no hope, don't be afraid, you'll never be alone. I will follow you to find a way, no matter what the world will say. In the darkest times, when there's no hope, don't be afraid, you'll never be alone.
I am back, and I hope that you like this flip through. Please let me know what you think. Leave me a comment down below. And this book again is for my dear friend, and hopefully she likes this. Please continue to follow our A to Z Christmas collaboration hosted by Rach and Bella Crafts. I hope that you are able to watch all the videos and craft along with us. We're really trying to give you inspirations and great ideas that you can use for your craft projects. Some of the participants are hosting giveaways, and I hope that you can take part. I'm also having a giveaway for this collaboration, and I will share what I'm preparing for you in the next videos. Our host, Rach and Bella Crafts, has an amazing giveaway too, and hopefully you can join. And if you missed some of the videos or all of the videos, don't worry, there's a playlist. Rach and Bella Crafts, who is the host of this collaboration, has a playlist. And then I also have a playlist called A to Z of Christmas Craft. So just click on that and you will see all the videos. So there you go, everyone. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you like this video. Please subscribe if you're not part of my YouTube family yet. Bye now. God bless you. Take care. Till next time.